everyone! For me, chopping vegetables is probably the most cumbersome step of cooking, which is why I other day came across this vegetable chopper by Solomon, and I knew I had to share it with you guys. Let's get into it. This compact-sized chopper has a capacity of 500 ml and is made of high-quality food-grade plastic, making it nearly unbreakable. What I love about this chopper is that it doesn't require any electricity and is operated manually. To use this, all you have to do is to pull the thread, which will eventually rotate the blades inside using a pulley mechanism. And voila, your finely chopped vegetables are ready. The 4 locks on the lid provide you with utmost safety and prevent any slippage during use. It is easy to store, clean and use, making it a great alternative to your regular chopping methods.